Hello, little stars! Today we are going to enjoy a magical poem called Night. It tells us what happens to the sun when it disappears at night. Are you ready? The sun that shines all day so bright, I wonder where it goes at night. The poet says, the sun shines so bright all gay. But the child wonders, where does it go at night? It sinks behind a distant hill, and all the world grows dark and still. Children, have you seen the sun setting in the west in the evening? Yes, it looks like the sun is slowly hiding behind the big hills. And when the sun hides, shh, everything becomes quiet and dark. The world is ready to sleep, just like you at bedtime. And then I go to bed and sleep until the day begins to peep. Tell me, children, what do you do when night comes? Yes, you go to bed, right? That's what the child says too, that he goes to bed and sleeps. And he keeps sleeping until the morning light slowly enters the room. That means he gets up in the morning. And when my eyes open, I see the sun is shining down on me. Children, what happens when you open your eyes in the morning? Yes, you see the sunshine. Similarly, the child tells us that when his eyes open in the morning, he sees the sun shining and shining, and the rays of the sun fall on the child. And that's how the poem ends, showing us that after every night, a new morning always comes. Hello, kids! Do you know what synonyms are? Synonyms are words that have the same or similar meanings. Let's learn synonyms of some simple words together.
Bright can also mean shiny, glowing, or radiant, like the bright sun. Wonder. Children, for wonder, we can use think, imagine, or question, just like when we question or ask why. Night. Night can be called darkness or bedtime, the time when we go to sleep. Sink. Sink means to go down, drop, or settle, like a stone sinks in water.
Distant means far away or remote, like mountains we see from a distance. Still means quiet, calm, or silent, when everything around us rests. Bed can also be called a cot, where we sleep. Sleep means rest, slumber, or nap, closing our eyes to take rest and dream. Peep can mean appear, peek, or show, like the morning sun peeping in. Eyes open means wake up or arise, ready for a brand new day. Shining can mean glowing, sparkling, or gleaming, just like stars in the sky. See means notice, watch, or observe when we look carefully at things. Great job, kids! Using synonyms makes our communication better, richer, and more fun. So try to use them regularly in your speaking and writing.